takes off with my back turned to it.
Okay.
Holy.
So we're fixing to.
Hopefully not wreck. That's what we're hoping for. I don't want to do this.
Just a little bitty flight.
Oh God.
No, that's so bad. What happened?
Holy shit, it's
Why
okay.
Did it go all bad?
It's safe.
No, it's not.
Nothing real expensive.
No, something really broke.
In the air?
I don't know what happened. Is it just the tail fin hitting the ground?
That's what you heard. Yeah, it's okay. When
Yeah,
I
no.
saw it, I was like, it's
Why
okay.
did it go all fucking nuts?
It went. I'm.
No, that's not good. Great. I changed my gyro setting and apparently I should. The tail is going real like